Alright guys, let's start with step 1, that's wrist mobility, as the most important part. Wrist pain is really common, especially for those just starting to walk on handstands. Therefore, strengthening the wrist is very important as the entire load of your body comes on the wrist joint. You can perform this for 3 sets, 10 reps each side. Step 2, stability, especially in acrobats and handstand. We spend a lot of times on our shoulders, therefore it's very important to do this movement to work on the entire arm and joint stability. As you can see, I'm moving forward and back. This is gonna keep my entire arm engaged, especially my scapula. Keep your lats engaged, as you can see in the video too. Step 3, we're gonna work on hollow body holds. Lie down flat on back and place a towel underneath the lower back. Pull your belly down so that you can touch the towel completely. Keep your shoulders and legs off the ground. The lower, the more challenging. This will build strong core and keep your spine as straight as you can during your handstands. Start with 5 seconds and take it up to 45 seconds. You can do as many sets as you can. Make sure you're breathing while you are holding the posture. Make sure you are exhaling when you come down completely. We'll move forward towards working on the strength and endurance. So this is the first step, as you can need to keep your legs elevated somewhere. Make sure you're not bending your elbows while holding this posture, neither you're falling down with your shoulders. If it's really challenging, you can keep your legs stretched. Make sure you're not leaning forward, neither you're bending your elbows. You need to move towards your toes, pulling your shoulders up. If that's challenging, you can spread your legs and you can have a soft bend in your knees. This would make it easier as you progress. You can open up your legs. The most important part, practicing the handstand. Start with your bent knees, trying to move your head towards the wall. As you get better and better, you can slowly move your legs up, trying to keep your elbows stretched wide open, and you need to walk towards the wall. This would take at least 1 week, so don't rush it over there. It depends from person to person. Some of you all might take a little longer, some of you might be a little more stronger. As you progress, you can go with a single leg, and just make sure there's someone behind your back so that he can hold you up as you are about to fall. That's it guys. I hope you all have a happy handstand. Take care.